Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, how are you all? It's Rutaba. Welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw and color the chocolate strawberry shake. So let's get begin.
Pussycat, where have you been? I've been up to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat,
First I draw the can, then a straw,
little mouse under her chair.
and then draw the layer of chocolate with sprinkles. I draw his eyes and the smiley mouth. Amazing! Let's color the chocolate strawberry shake together.
Garden grow.
I color with the brown marker for chocolate.
Mates all in a row. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row.
Now I color the strawberry shake with pink.
Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to
The shake looks so yummy.
again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down.
I color his tongue with red and his mouth with pink. Let's color the sprinkles. Now I color the straw with purple and light blue.
Had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the
Are you guys enjoying drawing with me? Yummy! If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.